Hello, welcome to this Learn Price Action series. This is the first video of a number of videos that will teach you the basics of price action, what price action is, why you should trade using price action, how to trade using price action. There will be a number of videos in this course. It's all for free, it's all on YouTube. Welcome. Let's get started. Let's jump right in. This course will teach you everything you need to know about price action. As already mentioned, what is price action? Price action trading. Sometimes price action is abbreviated to an acronym, PA. So what is PA or PAT? Price action trading. Why trade using price action? And we're also going to look at some price charts. This is all about technical analysis because price action is the foundation of technical analysis. And let's talk a bit more about that in a moment. My name is Samuel Morton. I've been a currency trader, a Forex trader since 2011. I also trade stocks and derivatives and lots of other things. I love it. I really do. Even though this series is about Forex price action, it's just as applicable to wanting to learn technical analysis or price action for equity markets, stocks, commodities, indices. You're welcome no matter what financial market you trade. I am an independent trader. Like I said, I've been trading since 2011. I teach other people how to trade. I'm an educator. My website is actualforextrading.com. This year, being 2023, nearing 2024, I set up my first ever fund. I'm a fund manager, SMT Capital. I used to be the head technical analyst for a Forex broker based in Asia. I'm not anymore, but I was for about 6 or 7 years, and I'm featured across the web. Just head over to my website, actualforextrading.com, and there are some links about things I've been on, interviews I've had, things like that. So that's about me. I'm not going to go through that again. That's just for new people watching this video. Now you know more about me. Technical analysis. So there's two ways to analyze the financial markets. There's technical analysis and there's fundamental analysis. Price action analysis, looking at price action, using price action, is really the foundation of technical analysis. It's part of technical analysis. If you're going to trade Forex, stocks, commodities, any financial market, you need to do some sort of financial analysis, some sort of analysis to predict where future price is going to be. To make money from Forex, you need to know what the future price of a currency pair is going to be. To do that, you can use technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or both. And the most successful traders use a bit of both, and I tend to use a bit of both as well. I do lean a bit more on the technical side of things, but I do use both technical and fundamental analysis to trade the currency markets, the Forex markets. So technical analysis covers price action, so PAT, price action trading. And in this series, I'm going to cover these three green circles here, these green points. Number one, the basics. I'm going to go through all the basics of price action. Support and resistance, which is part of price action, and price patterns. Including the basics are things like Japanese candlesticks. So at the end of this series, which will be the end of these 3 points here, you'll know everything you'll need to in order to use price action, to understand price action, which will give you that foundation of technical analysis. There'll then be another series completely for free once again that will focus more on building upon that foundation. TA is technical analysis. It'll focus on things like moving averages and other technical indicators. This all may sound very overwhelming. It may sound very confusing right now, and a lot of these words, a lot of this terminology just may make no sense to you. That's okay. I'm going to guide you through everything and you're going to understand it all. I'm here to help you. At any point, if you get stuck, just leave a comment in the section below, a question. I'll answer your questions. Feel free to email me too. I can help you over email. My email address is on my website, actualforextrading.com. Okay, so what is price action? point one at the top here. It's how price has acted. Price action. So if you think of a chart with an x-axis and a y-axis, at the bottom of the chart you'll have the date or dates. On the y-axis, the vertical axis, you're going to have price, and the date with the price is going to be plotted on that graph. It's showing how price has acted in the past. It's historical. So on a price chart, if I bring up a chart, and I will later on in this video, and we'll be looking at lots of charts as these videos and series goes on. As we look at charts, we can see how price has acted historically. There might be a year's worth of price data there. We can look at where price was in September, in August, in July, in January. It's historical price information. It shows us where price was, where it's been, and where possibly it could go in the future. So price action is about historical price movement, how price has behaved or acted in the past. It is the foundation of TA, technical analysis, and I've mentioned this a few times. So if you want to learn technical analysis, this is where you need to start. You need to learn about price. And going back to that previous slide, a lot of these later items that will be covered in a future series, moving averages and other technical indicators, they're actually derived from price. They use price action in order to signal certain things and help a trader. So knowing about price behavior, how price has acted, i.e. price action, you really get a foundation for technical analysis. But what really is it? I've tried to summarize that already, but what really is price action? It's the direction price is going, it's the highs price has made, the lows price has made, and the patterns that price has made. Or, to bring things into the present, the direction price is going at the moment, the highs that it's forming, the lows that it's forming, and the patterns that it's currently forming. That's how price behaves. That's what I mean by price acting. What direction is it going? What highs has it formed? What lows has it had? What patterns has it formed? It behaves, it moves, and as it moves, it creates these things: direction, highs, lows, and patterns. Now, why is all this important? Why do you need to know this? Why do you need to know about direction, highs, lows, patterns? Why do you need to know about technical indicators and all these things? Why is this important? Well, we trade Forex and any other financial market in order to make money. I'm a trader. Let's go back to that previous slide. I've been a technical analyst. I'm a fund manager. I'm an independent trader. Why did I do and why do I do all these things? Because I want to make money. Financial markets are all about making money. And price action can help us to make money. To be a profitable trader, you need to know where future price is going to be. If you know future price is going to be higher than it is today, you can buy and sell later and make money from that. Buy at a low price, sell at a high price. You can make money. Price action is all about predicting where future price is going to be. And so is technical analysis as a whole and fundamental analysis as a whole. It's all about predicting where future prices could be. If the euro could be higher tomorrow, let's buy the euro. If the pound, the dollar could be higher tomorrow, let's buy the pound, let's buy the dollar. It's all about making money. And price action is there to help you know where future prices might be. I think that is a good start to price action. As mentioned already, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you want to just say thank you or give me a thumbs up, that's great. I'll be back in the next video and we'll start building on this and we'll start looking at some price charts. Let me bring up a price chart actually. Let's do that now. So this is a price chart. This is what we're going to be looking at as this series goes on. It might look overwhelming. We have these sort of green bars and red bars, and we have lines across the chart. There's all sorts of things going on. This is technical analysis. I'm going to teach you absolutely for free how to understand all of this, how to read this information, and how it can help you to know where future price might be. As mentioned already, don't feel overwhelmed. I'm here to help you. I'll guide you through this process. It won't cost you a penny, and you'll be impressed how quickly you pick this stuff up. This is my website. If it loads up, actualforextrading.com. If you go to free stuff here, there's lots of free material. This is where we are though, technical analysis. If you click here, you can follow this series one by one. This is the first video. There's lots of videos in this series. Just go here. Here's the URL. And follow along on the website. I suggest that because there's more content here on the website than there is on YouTube. So it's worth having a look. Okay, thank you so much. I'll speak to you in the next video.